Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can play and pause media in your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So at first I'm going to put the right one to the ear, but it works the same for the left and the right AirPod. Right now just take a look right here. In this place we can find the touch control panel. That's the small cutout in our AirPod. And we have to just click on it once, like that, to play or pause media. Of course, right now it is not working because I have to cover this sensor, and take a look right now. I'm gonna press once and it's activate. I'm gonna press once another time and the media stop playing. That's it. It works the same for the right one. Let me just show you. Cover the sensor, because without it I will be unable to make it out of the ear. Press once and we can smoothly pause and play media. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.